Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Cracking Wealth. We're here with a new updates as of November. And since the last time we spoke a month ago, we've grown our portfolio by over $2,000. And this was really as a result of both an infusion of cash and an appreciation of our assets by over $1,000. As you can recall, we had about $10,000 a month ago. Crypto was about 4,650. We bought some more really around this time, just a few days after that. We'll show you exactly when we did. But our overall portfolio was about $10,000. But now we stand at $12,570. We shall tell you how we got here. But today, really, we are going to cover Bitcoin. We made a prediction about Bitcoin's price, where it was heading to, and it completely did the opposite. So were we wrong? Is Bitcoin just up and up to the moon from here? Or is there a trick up its sleeve? We'll go through that. We'll talk about CMF and the bonds briefly. But first, let's go through our portfolio, what's been going on. In the past week, we're up about $600. In the past months, we're up about $1,200. In the past 3 months, we're up about $650. Year to date, we are up. We have succeeded in reversing the downtrend, and now we are really on an uptrend. It's been beautiful to watch. It's great, but we are not resting on our house. There's a lot to do here. Let's go to our crypto portfolio. Right now, we are about 6,755, and on the week, we're up $300, and the month we are up $1,000. Year to date, we are up $1,000. Great performance from everyone here, but most especially Bitcoin. Our Bitcoin is up 35%. Unfortunately, we have the lowest allocation to Bitcoin. We put in about $500. We're expecting to bring that up to about $2,000 if Bitcoin went down as we predicted. That didn't happen, just not yet. Anyways, we're doing fantastic in the rest of our crypto portfolios. Compound is doing absolutely well, up 23%, about $300. Fantastic there. We bought a little bit of compound actually after our last video. Here you go. We bought actually twice. We bought $300 and another $300 worth of it. Fantastic buys, fantastic buys. What is going on here? Sorry about that. All right. AVAX, we're finally positive on Avalanche, so that's fantastic. We're up about 4%. Again, sizable position in Avalanche. We are not gonna do more than that for now. Ethereum, we finally have more than one Ethereum. Beautiful. We wanted to go to two. We're not there yet. We're just over one Ethereum, and we're up about 10% there. Bitcoin Cash really hasn't performed as well as the other cryptos in the past month. You can see only up $2, but either way, we're still up about $10. We probably will build a little bit more position into this. Now, outside of crypto, our stock ETFs are actually doing well too. They really just started doing well this past week. Before then, it was a downtrend. We spoke about TMF. The last time we spoke about TMF was about 4.4. Look, in that past month, it fell down to 3 point something, 3.8, 3.7. It was a bloodbath. We bought a little bit more of TMF. We bought about $180 worth of TMF at $4.2. And actually, we made two purchases since we last spoke on the October 5th and on October 17th. We have about $500. We're actually now in the green, but as you know, we wanted to bring this up to $1,000. Still not over. We shall probably get there. All in all, we are doing well. Our strategy is finally hitting, but we are not yet satisfied, because this can easily dip back down to 11K if our Bitcoin analysis is correct. We will jump right into that. But first of all, I want us to take a look at the actions that we've done so far on our accounts. So, not much new here. It's the same old strategy, plain old vanilla strategy we've employed here. Recurring investment every single day that the market is open, $10 in four different ETFs. So, we spend about $40 every day and about $200 every week. As you can see, my history is replete with that, just full of that. Okay. Yeah, we paid a little bit of interest here. The last time we made any purchase that was outside of the recurring investing was October 20th when we bought about $320 of compound crypto. We added about $500 from into our brokerage accounts. Then we also bought about $180 of TMF on the 17th of October. Then really since then it's been just nothing. It says we added about $960 from our brokerage accounts, but I think this is reflective of the previous $960 we added pre the last video, but it cleared on this date, I believe. I believe. But either way, these are our three other main buys. We bought Bitcoin Cash, we bought Compound, and we bought Ethereum. About what is this? About $960 worth of those cryptocurrencies. Okay, so not much happening there. This is how we are stacked. We prefer to maintain a 50-50 split between crypto and stocks for this particular portfolio. But right now, our crypto is way well ahead of our stocks. Crypto is at 54% and our stocks is at 46%. And this really is as a result of crypto's outperformance in this past month. Not much we can do here. Just carry on with the strategy. But we won't be buying crypto as of now. We believe we're going to have a greater entry points into crypto in the next few months, within 2 months. We'll show you why we believe so right now. Let's jump right into that. Thank you. So this is the Bitcoin chart right now, the daily chart. We're currently at around $35,000. As you can remember, we put in a death cross here, and that's when we were calling for a bearish signal and a price to trend down towards $20,000. However, price did the complete opposite and it skyrocketed up to about $36,000. And in fact, it's now formed a golden cross where the 50-day moving average crosses the 200-day moving average. So are we throwing in the towels? We are 75% there, really, towards throwing the towels, because this move completely invalidated our moves, and we take the hits, right? However, things could still happen. Take you back to about 4 years ago, 2019, when we had something similar. However, there is a caveat to two howevers here. Here we go. So here we put in a death cross, right? The price fell all the way to about $6,000. Then what did you have? You had an upshoot really all the way to about 10,000. So that was more than a 50% move in price. And in fact, you then put in a golden cross, and this took about 2 months. But what happened? You started to fall again, and you crashed back below your previous support here, and you put in a dead cross again. But the caveat is this was during the pandemic, and this soon reverted back to a golden cross. Then you had the start of a bull market. So will this repeat itself again? Maybe not, because we won't have another pandemic again, probably. But let's take a look here. Okay, in the midst of the bull run, what do we have? We had a death cross and we fell. But then from 29,000, boom, we shot up to about $70,000. That is more than a 2x run there. But again, it was pretty much a fake out, depending on how you want to define that term, fake outs. Because soon after that, we went back into a death cross and the price fell till it found its low at around $15,000. So, all of this to say that this price could still fall. This could be a fake out and we'll just reverse back down here. You could say that this was really buy buy the rumor, sell the news. And the rumor is the Bitcoin ETF imminent approval. And the news is when it actually happens. You can have a reversal here. However, we're not that confident in this thesis really anymore. I would be I would be careful to declare victory here for the bulls and dictate or pronounce the start of the bull markets. But it could be. I'll just be careful here. Like I said, we won't be buying cryptos here. Or, well, we will be buying those assets that are not performing as well as Bitcoin. Like we've identified, Bitcoin Cash uh, hasn't really matched the performance of Bitcoin. But in terms of buying Bitcoin, we will wait. A reversal is possible. How confident are we in that? I don't know. But what we do know is that the bull cycle will start in earnest next year after the halving. Then by 2025, we should probably hit new highs here. Again, I can't say we know for sure, but this is really following the 4 year cycle of crypto. The markets are doing quite well, bottomed for the second time really, and at the end of October, and since then, again, it's been an upshoot really. But we'll see where we open tomorrow. But that's all we have for today, guys. We'll update you next week or in 2 weeks, okay? And we'll keep it going. Have a nice day and thank you for watching us. Thank you. Bye.